So when it comes to meme coin trading, there are realistically 5 stages that every meme coin trader must go through. And what I will say is majority of people don't even make it past stage 2. Also, let me know down in the comment section below what stage you're at the moment. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, stage number 1 is a clueless newbie. This stage, everyone starts at this stage. So in this stage, you are chasing pumps. You buy into charts that look like this. You don't know anything about fees, which burns your account faster than all of them minus 60% trades you've been taking. In this stage, you already think that you've figured it out. You've probably watched 3 meme coin trading videos on YouTube and you think that, you know, with a little bit of time, you would be a profitable trader. It does not work like that, bro. And also at this stage, you don't even know what a bundle is. And also you join every meme coin Telegram group, hoping that they would give you alpha. And all you got in return is just rugs.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
And also at this stage, you know, you have probably got a couple wins and all of the losses that you've taken, you've just forgot about it. And also in this stage, you are so blind to your losses, you don't even think that they're affecting your portfolio nowhere near as much as they actually are. And also on top of that, you have gotten a few wins that convince you that you're actually better than you actually are. And in this stage, it kind of feels exciting because it's kind of new and, you know, the odd win here or there, you know, fuels up your dopamine. But this is where majority of people get stuck at this stage. I would say the main problems people have at this stage is probably they have no rules, no risk management, and just pure emotion. And on top of that, lack of experience. I would say in this game especially, you do need a lot of experience. Okay, stage number 2 is the painful learner. And this stage is probably where you do the most learning, obviously. But how you get onto this stage is basically you are sick and tired with all of the losses you've been taking. And basically it's come to a point where enough is enough and you actually want to like master this because it's not fun to you anymore. It's not exciting. You know, you've actually seen the losses that you've been taking and you want to level up. You basically want to level up. So in this stage there is a lot of realization of your actual performance within the market. You realize majority of your wins came from luck and not actual skill. You've been realizing you've been doing a lot of things wrong as well. However, the turning point is you start educating yourself, you start knuckling down, you know, you start dedicating a lot of time and energy into this, learning, you know, liquidity, wallet behaviors, following certain people on YouTube, narratives, risk management, and yes, you finally know what a bundle is now. Also in this stage is where the obsession creeps in. If you are serious about this, you are probably going to be spending upwards of 6 hours a day, you know, learning, trading, like, you know, just in this space as a whole. In this stage, you are still inconsistent with your trading. You might take one good trade and have 3 bad trades. And also at this stage, you know what a scam coin looks like. However, this is definitely the foundation of your meme coin trading journey. And majority of people spend the most time in this stage because there's just so much to like learn, and also you've got to build up that experience as well. All right, just a quick one, guys. When it comes to meme coin trading, it isn't about luck, it's about learning the right things and learning the right things in the right order as well. Most traders lose money because they jump into advanced concepts way too early, they chase hype, or they just fall for basic scams before they've even understood the meme coin game. And that's why I have created a complete meme coin trading manual, a step-by-step system that will take you from beginner to advanced meme coin trader, showing you exactly what to learn and what order to learn it, broken down into 5 stages. So if you are tired of losing money and want clarity, skill, and want to become a profitable meme coin trader, the link to my trading manual is down in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get back into the video. Okay, stage number 3 is a semi-professional. This is where the real progress begins. You stop focusing on how much you can make and start focusing on how much you can lose, and also you focus on your account growth. You start getting better at understanding the space as a whole. You start using Twitter the right way, in fact. You start meeting people within the space that aren't noobs and you can actually share ideas with. You start implementing what you've learned and systemizing your trades. However, you are not quite profitable just yet. You make good trades more often, but you're still not quite there because you don't know when to sell, or the bad trades still hold you back, one of them two. However, at this stage, you can now fully understand why a coin runs. You know your pre-entry checks off by heart, and also scanning coins becomes second nature to you. You know what you are looking for and what you are also not looking for. Your account stops looking like a big red slide, and you just need to even out a couple more things and you'll be on the right track. The main thing about this stage is survival becomes the priority. This stage is probably one of the hardest ones to break out of because the knowledge is there, maybe not the experience, but you know where you're going wrong. There's just a couple things that you need to tweak. However, you are almost profitable but not quite there. Okay, stage number 4 is a professional trader. Now this is a stage where you become profitable. 5k a month is just a normal month for you. You have a solid touch on the market. You have a good network of people within your community. Your Twitter is gaining a lot of traction as well. People also value your opinion on the market, and also you have a trading strategy that is battle tested. You know, you have clear setups, clear entry rules, clear exit rules, clear trading rules, you know what I mean? Also, your losses don't affect you and don't hurt you as much as they used to before. And also, you made so much progress. If someone comes up to you and asks you what a bundle is, you will laugh in their face. In this stage, your win rate is consistent, not because you're smarter, because you're more selective and disciplined, and also you have that experience now in the market. Okay, stage number 5, the last stage. You are basically a meme coin god now, yeah? Your Twitter has thousands of followers. You're in groups with some serious people within the market. I'm talking like insiders, you know, like people, like very important people in the market. You have a lot of power and influence in the market. You also have people tracking and copy trading your wallet. And also at this stage, you are so profitable that money doesn't even seem real to you. 10k a month is a bad month for you. It's no longer about building your account. It's now about looking for new ways to basically make the most money. And also at this stage, you'll probably go into deving, or you are probably in touch with a lot of good developers. And also networking is super easy for you. You're not the networker anymore, you are the networkee. People come up to you and try to network with you. And yeah, if Memecoins was a video game, you would have completed it by now. And yeah, that was the 5 stages. But what I would like to say is most traders fail because they try to skip these stages. You can't expect stage 5 results whilst having the stage 1 behavior. Like it just doesn't work. You need to go through these stages. Like literally there is no shortcuts. You have to go through this. You have to build up the experience and the discipline to reach these levels. And if you did like this video, make sure you subscribe, and also let me know down in the comment section below what stage you are in your meme coin trading journey. And until next time, it's been your boy. I'm out.